Hello, welcome. I'm Filipe Leitão, composer, music producer, and college professor. In the next 6 minutes, I'm gonna show you the first part of my course, How to Score Action. In this free training, you're going to learn how to create a ostinato pattern with strings and also epic percussion. Hope you enjoy that. I'm going to focus now on creative composition first, then we can focus on synchronization points later. So I'm gonna start with the ostinato strings. For that, I'm gonna use that free string called Helix by Orchestral Tools. I'm gonna use the spiccato to create an ostinato. I'm gonna use the octatonic scale for this scene because we have a lot of tritones in that scale. So let's create an ostinato with this scale. Of course, we're gonna use just a couple of notes of the octatonic scale. Nice. Let me see what I have here. I'm gonna quantize that and then fix. I'm gonna duplicate that Sine Factory Helix strings, create some bass. Cool. Let me quantize that. So again, I'm using some notes of the octatonic scale. As you can see, let me just fix the rhythm here. As you can see, I'm using the C and F sharp. Maybe I could create some variation and go to A flat here or G sharp. And then back. Okay. I really love that instrument because I have that bite. We could even maybe create some variation. Cool. Let me create another variation here. Okay, very nice. So I already have some kind of foundation with the strings, ostinato. Next, I'm gonna use some toms to create that percussion, epic percussion. So I'm gonna use that Abbey Road 1. So you see, I'm also playing some flames, tra, tra, things like that. I'll just quantize that. I'm quantizing because I'm gonna mix that with other percussions, so I want to make sure they are going to work well together. Of course, I don't need to quantize that flames. Okay, I don't need this one because I'm gonna loop that. Very nice. So I have toms. If we go to Sine Player, again, I'm going to duplicate that here. We also have some good free options here if you use the Sine Factory Dynamo. Let me see the mid-tone ensemble. Although it doesn't have like the same weight of the Abbey Road one I was using, but we can just like combine that and put it together. So I'm gonna call that sine tones. Let's go. Besides that, we have another one which is free. It's called War Ensemble by Splash Sound. So that's a loop. So we can put that together, and that's gonna even add another layer, interesting layer in that context. We're gonna use that. What's good about this kind of like loop instrument is we can create some variations and then you should use that forever. So we can create some variation like that. It's not exactly the same. I'm gonna keep it like this for now. The next thing I'm gonna do is add synthesizer bass. I think that's gonna also bring that low end. So I'm gonna use the C here. And I'm gonna just loop that. If you want to go in depth on how to create action scores and learn the secrets of the action music and create your own score in one day, join my course, How to Score Action. This course is a step-by-step guide to create action music from scratch to finish. You'll learn how to use musical ingredients to evoke action and follow my step-by-step process of scoring an action scene. And you don't need to notate music, you don't need to read music. Everything is going to be demonstrated in a DAW software, and all the techniques can be applied to any DAW software. Check out the score we're going to produce in this course.
So I recently got to check out the course How to Score Action by Filipe Leitão. And this is one of the best courses someone can get to learn how to score action. The course goes over a plethora of musical ideas that you can incorporate into creating your own score. And he also gives a whole list of virtual instruments to use when writing for action. And quite a few of them are free. The course is a step-by-step guide, and you get to watch a professional create a score from scratch and learn along the way. Some of the big takeaways for me were the different scales you can use, and then how to highlight different parts of a score by actually taking away instruments. Leitão did a fantastic job with this course, and I'm excited to see what's next from him.
You'll learn the secret recipe for action, special scales to evoke tension, the best of sample libraries for action, include free ones, how to program epic drums, how to create tension with brass instruments, how to incorporate sound design elements in your score, how to expand a simple idea into a full hybrid score. You will understand how to score a scene, how to mark some hit points, and much more. This is a 90-minute course straight to the point with all the secrets on how to score action. Join today and take advantage of the launch offer. See you then.